Good day. This is Peter Knipp from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. equity market for the week of 30 November. Stocks snapped a 4-day win streak Friday, but finished higher on the holiday shortened week. The president's signature on a bill supporting the Democratic protesters in Hong Kong threw a shadow over the ongoing trade talks and were the only bump stocks hit on the road to Thanksgiving. The Dow Jones inched up 0.6% to 28,051.41. The S&P 500 climbed 1% to 3,140.98, and the Nasdaq led all markets up 1.7% to 8,665.47. U.S. Treasuries were mixed last week on the holiday shortened sessions of Wednesday and Friday. Traders sold bonds in anticipation of the heavy corporate debt issuance next week. The 10-year note yield rose 1.2 basis points to 1.778%, while the 2-year note was down 2.2 basis points to 1.602, and the 30-year bond climbed 1.3 basis points to 2.04. The dollar was flat on the week, but finished November up against all major currencies. Gold climbed on Friday with the U.S.-China trade relations hitting a snag following the passing of a bill supporting the Hong Kong protesters. However, the price of the metal has been range-bound for most of November. Friday's close of $1,460.80 an ounce finished off a tough November for the yellow metal. Oil prices fell over the past week as a possible approval of production cut extensions at next week's OPEC meeting drew more doubtful. Comments by Russian Energy Minister Alexander Novak suggested pushing out a decision on the extension cuts until the spring, and a report from Saudi Arabia indicated the kingdom was no longer willing to compensate other OPEC members for excessive production. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for doing business with Castlestone, and we'll be talking to you soon.